Hi guys, I'm Rachit and I'm from Kurukshetra. I've done my graduation from Electronics and Communication and I'm here at WebtechLearning to do a course, and I've completed a course in WebtechLearning on Python core in advance. So the first question comes to my mind, like why do I choose a Python as being an ECE student? So I choose it because it's now the time is changing. The world is more shifting toward the open-based systems, and there's so much competition in Java side. So why we choose Python is because of its easiness, easy to learn, comprehensive, and it will surely give you a wide amount of opportunities in the market. So that's why I choose Python. And why I choose WebTech, it's because of my friends over here, who's staying in Chandigarh, recommended me to go for the WebtechLearning because it's one of the leading and one of the best institute in the Chandigarh to provide the training in any courses like digital marketing, big data, Python code advanced, software testing. So it's it's a kind of a great exposure to me, like going to this kind of institute where I get to learn very few things. So I'm happy to be here and it's fun working over here. So guys, if you want to do any kind of course, like any kind of big data, related to big data, software testing, digital marketing, and what I've done from here is like Python core advanced. So don't hesitate to come to the WebtechLearning. It's one of the best institutes in the Chandigarh. So thank you.